from Pixel Lab. So I will teach you today. So first of all, you will select your photo and resize your photo according to you. Then you will select front, back, and left, right resizer, and then you will select on opacity. Then select erase. If you want erase any unwanted areas from photos, you can erase from there. Then you will resize your photo. Then you will select color, and you can make your photo white, black and white with saturation and brightness level up and down. So friends, if you like this video, then subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you.